how to fix Logitech Hub script not working. So the first thing you might want to try doing is you just go into your interface of the app, of course, then navigate to your profiles, and then make sure to set the profile that you're using to persistent, right? So that it doesn't refresh your script or your profile, so that it stays no matter what. So that's the step number 1. Then step number 2. And then you open up your task manager and then you search for your game's executable. Well, for example, I'll choose Chrome as an example. And you need to make sure that your game is not elevated, all right? So as you can see, it says no. If it's elevated, just go ahead and restart your computer, launch your app again, and that should fix it. And the other way to try and fix it, let me show you. I'm just going to open this file right over here. The other way to fix it is to just find your G-Hub executable and then just go ahead and right-click, Properties, Compatibility, and then make sure to run this program as an admin. These are the fixes, guys. Hopefully they help you out. If they do, don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe.